Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to do the questions from Let Us Assess of this chapter 13 measurement. So look at question number 1. Write in columns and add. These type of questions we have already done. So this you have to do, and write in columns and subtract. Question 1 and 2 you all can do it yourself. Now we come to question number 3. Question number 3, you have 3 bits. A bit is what? Subtract the sum of 414 kg, 242 grams and 300 kg from 900 kg. So first we have to find out the sum of 414 kg, 242 grams and 300 kilograms. After adding these two things, whatever sum you get, okay, you have to subtract it from 900 kg. Means 900 kg minus the sum that you have got. In this way you will do. Next question is also similar type. Subtract the sum of 100 meter, 20 centimeter and 212 meter, 10 centimeter from 500 meter. Again same thing, you will take out the sum of 100 meter, 20 centimeter and 212 meter, 10 centimeter from, means the sum whatever you have got, you have to subtract it from 500 meter in the similar way. Look at bit C. How much is the sum of 80 liters, 10 milliliters and 15 liter, 15 milliliter more than 50 liters? Let us do this question. Here also the same thing, we have to take out the sum of 80 liters, 10 milliliters and 15 liters, 15 milliliters, and then you have to subtract it from 50 liters, because you have to find out how much the sum is, how much is the sum of this more than 50 liters. You have to subtract it, you have to not subtract from, but you have to subtract it by 50 liters. Okay, let us do this question. Everyone see. Here first of all we will take out the sum of 80 liters, 10 milliliters and 15 liters, 15 milliliters equal to. Now the most important thing which we have to remember is 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. In 1000 milliliters 3 zeros are there, so 3 digits should be in the milliliters place. So we will write here liter, then we will write here milliliters. 80 we have written here, here we will write 010 plus 15 liters, and here we will write 015. Then we will add these two. What we will get? How much you will get? 10 minus 5, 10 is 5, sorry, 0 plus 5 is 5, 8 plus 1, 9. 95 liters and 25 milliliters. Now you have to subtract it by 50 liters. Okay. Next statement will be 95 liters, 25 milliliters is more than 50 liters by how much it is more, that we have to take it out. 95, this is liter, this is milliliter, minus 50 liters, what we got in milliliters place, you got 25 here, and here what you have got? 45. So your answer to this question is 45 liters and 25 milliliters. This is very simple. Now let us move on to the next question here. The next question is, a shopkeeper sold 121 kilograms 200 grams multigrain flour and 348 kg 900 grams whole wheat flour. How much total flour of both types did he sell? So this answer is very simple. Weight of multigrain flour is equal to 121 kg and 200 grams. Next statement will be weight of whole wheat flour. Weight of whole wheat flour is equal to 348 kg and 900 grams. Therefore, total weight of both types of flour equal to, we have to write here kilograms and this side it will be grams. We know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, so 3 digits must be there in grams place. So 121 200 plus 348 900. Now let us add. What we will get? 0 0 11. 1 and carry 1 here. 8 plus 2 10. 0 carry 1 7 4. So we got the answer as what? 470 kilograms and 100 grams. Okay. Question number 5 is also similar to question number 4 itself. Himani walks once around a triangular park whose sides measure 300 meter, 10 centimeter, 430 meter, 40 centimeter and 540 meter, 5 centimeter respectively. Find the total distance he walks. Okay. Just you have to add all these three sides, the length of all the three sides. 300 meter, 10 centimeter, 430 meter, 40 centimeter and 540 meter, 5 centimeter. So this will give you the total distance Himani walks. Similarly, we come to question number 6. Here you see Kabir's house is 7 kilometer 200 meter from his school. Parth house is 10 kilometer from the school. Who lives nearer to the school? They both go to the same school. So you have to do the comparison. How we will do? You have to subtract. Whose distance is more? 10 kilometer is obviously more. So who lives nearer? So obviously Kabir's house is nearer to the school because distance is less, only 7 kilometer 200 meter. Okay, so now the question is, now we come to question, just you have to take out who lives nearer to the school, but you can also add one thing, by how much. By how much you have to add, like by how much. You have to do the subtraction. 10 kilometer minus 7 kilometer 200 meters. So this will give you by how much distance is Kabir's house nearer to the school from Parth house. Next we come to question number 7. Question number 7 is, capacity of a milk drum is this much, 150 liters 200 ml. It already has 85 liter 550 ml milk. How much more milk can it have? See here, the capacity of the milk drum is there with you. Capacity of the milk drum is already there with you. this much, 150 liters 200 ml. Now it already has this much. How much? 85 liter 550 ml. Now amount of milk in drum equal to 85 liters 550 ml. How much more milk can it have? So more amount of milk drum can have equal to, we will write here liters, here we will write milliliters, and now we can do the subtraction. Here under liters you write 150, under milliliters you write 200 minus 85, and here it is 550. Let us do the subtraction now. Now here you can see that 200 is smaller than 550, so obviously we will borrow 1 from here, so this will change to 149 and this will become 1200. 1200 minus 550. $650 you got. 1200 minus 550 is 650, and 149 minus 85, 64. So you have got your answer as 64 liters and 650 milliliters. So I hope you all have understood this, how to solve.